Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the theory part of class methods. And today, we will learn about the practicals of class methods. Class level methods in Ruby. So let's take a practical example of class level method in Ruby. So let's create our first class, that is class user. In this user class, I am creating one class level method, that is full name or else simple full name. So for this I need to define my method with using predefined keyword self dot full name, and that will takes two parameter, first name, last name. And here in the method definition I will combine this both the parameter, first name, last name. And let's put one comment over here. Let me say method that returns full name of user. And now here we will create a call to our defined method full name. So for that what we need to do is we will create a user object. Let's take a name as user object and user my class name and the method name, and this will take two parameters, suppose hello, and the second one is learn. And now let's print this output to our console. Put as user object dot inspect. This is how we can create method. So by seeing this keyword self, we can see that this method full name is actually a class level method. So now let's run this program. Ruby object oriented my file name, and here we can see the output. That method has been called on the class name and it has returned both the parameters in a single string. That is hello is my first parameter, and I had put a space, and now the second parameter, that is learn one. So this is how we can work with the methods in Ruby. In next lecture we will learn about the class and method definitions in Ruby.